Lexus has given its flagship a major upgrade for 2022 with a new chassis, engine, and technology. Is this now the best full-size SUV you can buy? We have a complete look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com, click New Cars, research Lexus, and then select LX. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The Lexus LX600 is more than just a pretty face. This newly updated full-size luxury SUV is based on the global Land Cruiser. That means that under the skin, it has more capability than you might expect. But since this is also a Lexus, that means it's equipped with luxurious materials and the latest in high-tech entertainment. The model we're looking at today is the LX600 F Sport handling trim. This is nicely equipped with enthusiast-oriented looks and features. Prices you see it here with a number of options, including Mark Levinson sound, $105,600 US, including destination. Under the hood is a new twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 that produces up to 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. It's connected to a standard 10-speed automatic transmission. Four-wheel drive is standard, with a low-range transfer case, a torsion differential, and advanced off-road systems. Maximum towing is 8,000 pounds. EPA rates economy at 17 miles to the gallon in the city and 22 on the highway. In the back, the three-row LX has a lot of space for packing gear. The third row now folds flat into the floor, and behind the second row you get up to 44 cubic feet of cargo capacity. With all three rows folded down, you're looking at up to 64 cubic feet overall. Inside, the second row is well appointed with dual-zone climate controls, heated and cooled outboard seats, DC and USB power. From the driver's seat, you get a lot of great tech in easy reach. The 12.3-inch infotainment system is all new and features natural speech control and search with navigation plus terrestrial and XM satellite radio, in addition to wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support. There's also a wireless pad for charging your device. The seats are supportive with both heating and cooling and a long list of power adjustment options. In terms of safety tech, the LX600 is loaded with the latest Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5. This includes pre-collision, auto emergency braking with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control with lane tracing, lane departure alerts with steering assist, intelligent high beams, and blind spot monitoring. It also has a surround view camera system with parking sonars to make even tight lots easy to maneuver. Of course, the LX600 is very pleasant to drive on the open road. Power comes on quick thanks to the twin-turbocharged V6. Visibility is great, and the F Sport tuned suspension is an excellent balance of handling and comfort. Upper trims do offer air suspension if you want something even more dynamic. The LX600 really comes into its own when the pavement ends, with an industry-leading package of off-road features. Multi-Terrain Select optimizes the four-wheel drive system to handle any terrain, where the crawl control feature provides one of the most capable trail systems available on any vehicle. Of course, if you are going to take the LX600 off-road on a regular basis, we recommend going with the optional 18-inch wheel and not the street-oriented but gorgeous 22-inch alloys. There's a reason the Land Cruiser is a legendary transport in some of the most rugged places in the world. Add in one of the finest interiors available on the market, and you get this Lexus LX600. But don't take our word for it. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to find your local AutoNation-affiliated Lexus dealer. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation-affiliated Lexus dealer today.